Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. You know, the link is in the bio. I have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is self-love. The way that you treat yourself and you honor yourself and your gifts is how the world is going to treat you and honor you. No one can treat you better than you treat yourself. So make sure you look in the mirror and say, I'm beautiful, I'm strong, I'm unstoppable, I'm an all-powerful being. Make sure you are your biggest cheerleader. I attend to the needs of my soul by listening to my heart. My inner essence lets me know what is good for me. I respect my limits. I'm not missing out on anything. Where you are is where the party is and where life is actually going to thrive and shine. I answer the requests of my mind, body, and soul, and thus I learn to love myself. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.